Did you know that the butyric acid, which is produced by probiotics, contributes greatly to age reversal? As you get older, there's a big change in the composition of your gut environment. Things like changes in your diet, reduced physical activity, and taking medication can affect the composition of your intestinal microorganisms. And this actually results in reduced beneficial bacteria and increased harmful bacteria in your gut. This reduction in beneficial gut bacteria is what leads to a decrease in the production of butyric acid, and as a consequence, this accelerates various aging symptoms. So based on the latest research, here are 7 ways that the butyric acid produced by beneficial gut bacteria contribute to ageless well-being. Number 1, anti-inflammatory effect. So one of the typical features of aging is what's called inflammaging. This is a chronic low-grade inflammatory condition in your body. This was a topic that was previously covered in my videos, and butyric acid plays a role in increasing the expression of genes that are involved in inhibiting inflammation. And conversely, they suppress the expression of inflammatory-inducing genes. So essentially, this epigenetic modifications that butyric acid promote lead to a reduction in aging-related systemic inflammation. Number 2, maintenance of the intestinal wall integrity. The butyric acid plays an important role in maintaining the integrity of the gut lining. It improves the production of dense conjugated proteins such as occludin and claudin-1. These proteins help to close the gap between the intestinal epithelial cells. As a result, butyric acid prevents the leakage of harmful bacteria from your intestines into the bloodstream. This is critically important for improving aging-related bowel disease as well as your immune system. Speaking of which, butyric acid also improves overall immune function. The dysregulation of the immune response is a characteristic of aging, and butyric acid promotes the development of regulatory T cells that maintain immune tolerance and prevent excessive immune activation. Number 4, butyric acid improves energy metabolism and mitochondrial function. As I've covered this multiple times in previous videos, aging is characterized by decreased mitochondrial function and decreased energy production. Good news is, butyric acid actually increases the activation of mitochondria through various pathways and help to maintain the energy metabolism and reduce aging-related fatigue. Number 5, butyric acid exhibits antioxidant properties, which potentially mitigates the production of reactive oxygen species. This oxidation essentially damages mitochondrial DNA and proteins. So, butyric acid helps to maintain the cellular structure and function. Number 6, butyric acid delays the reduction of telomere length. The shortening of the telomeres is a characteristic of cellular aging. Causes of telomere length reduction include chronic inflammation, as we covered, and oxidative stress. Butyric acid prevents both chronic inflammation and the oxidation, which indirectly delays the telomere length reduction. And last but not least, butyric acid promotes autophagy. Autophagy is a process in our body that recycles damaged cellular components and to maintain the body homeostasis. So these are some powerful benefits of having abundant probiotics in your body. And when choosing probiotic supplement to boost your gut health, make sure that you choose one with various strains of beneficial bacteria and that the total number of colony-forming units must be substantial. Also, these probiotics must be able to reach the intestines in a stable form without being broken down by gastric acid and bile. And finally, the probiotics must be stored in safe conditions to prevent spoilage. Our Premium Pro Nutraceutical store has a variety of probiotics for you to choose from, but the one that we recommend you is the 100 billion probiotic, which survives the stomach acid and is shelf stable. It has 12 different strains of gut bacteria with a minimum of 100 billion viable cells per serving. And this 12-strain proprietary blend supports and nurtures good gut environment for a healthy digestive system. So go ahead and get yours today. The link will be in the description below as well as in the comments. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.